In this video, we'll go through how to set up a Gmail or Outlook email address that uses two-factor authentication inside of your profile CRM system. Inside of Profile, if you are a system admin user, towards the top left hand corner you'll find the menu option called Menu Main. Hover over that and then select System Admin, followed by General at the top and then Email Settings here. Okay, so once the email settings appear, you'll be taken to a screen like this. It might look slightly different based on the template that you've got selected. For this demonstration, we're using Google and Outlook. So for the first one, we'll use Google. Take your mouse to the template drop down list here and select Google. And it should populate the information automatically. If not, you can type it in manually, or you can just click on defaults here followed by yes, and it will populate some of the information for you. Once you've done that, just click on save at the bottom and then take the mouse to the level drop down option at the top and change this to user. This will then display the settings for every individual user on the system, and you can check to see which user you're currently selected on using the drop down called user at the top. And from here you can scroll through the settings for other users as well. So we'll keep it at profile test because that's the user we'll use for this demonstration. The next step is to type in the email address for this Google email account. And once you've done that, for the username, you can paste in the same email address here and then enter in the password for your email address. For IMAP credentials here, just select the tick box here. You don't have to type it in again. And once you've got that ticked, it will automatically use these two bits of data for logging into that side of things. Then hit save. And then you can click on test. And then test again. And it should say OK and OK for both inbox and send, but this time it says error, IMAP error 3 and SMTP server error 5. If I click on details, we can see it gives us a bit more information here. So as I'm using multi-factor authentication for this Google account, I can't just simply put in my standard password and have that work. The process for using a multi-factor Google email account on a third-party application like Profile is to use an app password instead of the actual password. So I'm just going to click close on this. I'll keep this window open and then head over to my internet browser. And I am already logged into my Gmail account here. Once inside of here, on the top right corner, click on the cog icon and then see all settings and then forwarding and pop IMAP, and ensure this option here, enable IMAP, is ticked. Then just click save changes. Then from the Gmail home screen, I'll click on the icon on the top right corner and then select manage your Google account. And then from here I will click on security on the left hand side and then scroll down slightly, and there will be a section called signing into Google. Here you can see that I've got two-step verification set up, and that's the reason why the standard password is not working when I use it inside of the Profile CRM system. Just below that you've got app passwords. If you click on that, we'll have to enter in the password for this email account, and then from here I will select other and just give it a name. Profile CRM sounds good. Then click on generate, and then I'll have this app password which I can use now. So if I copy this and then hit done, I can minimize this window and head back into profile and change the password over to the app password. Then hit save and then test again, followed by test. This time I get an OK for the inbox, but the send is still getting an error. We'll close out of this and then change the level at the top to system, and then here at the bottom we can see there is no SMTP domain. I'll type in smtp.gmail.com, then hit save, go back into user, and it's straight away selected my user account here, so I can click test and then test again, and this time I get OK and OK on both, indicating that my emails are now set up correctly and I can start sending and receiving emails on this system. Just to prove that, I'll click close here, and then go into email, and you can see that the inbox is ready. There is no emails inside of this email account. In fact there is, so you can see them here. So that's how you set up a Google email account inside a profile while using multi-factor authentication. Okay, now to go through how to set up Outlook, click on general at the top here and then email settings. Okay, so I'll change this to Office 365, hit save, and then change this to user. I've already got my email address entered inside of here and also inside of here, so I just need to put in the password. So to generate an app password, we need to head into the Outlook application in the internet browser, and then on the top right click on this icon here, followed by my Microsoft account. When this page loads, click on security at the top and then advanced security options. This page, scroll down to the bottom and then select create a new app password, and this is the app password that they'll provide. Copy it and then paste it in here. Hit save and then test, followed by test again. And this time we get OK and OK on both, which basically means the emails are set up and ready to use. And again, we can test it out here. So that's how you set up Gmail and Outlook email addresses inside a profile whilst using multi-factor authentication. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I hope to catch you on the next one.